mamamatay po ang ating katawan. 3 days without water, your body will die. Hi everyone, my name is Roland Perez and I'm one of the authorized wholesalers here in JC. Today, we're gonna do a product demonstration kung saan makikita po ninyo, we have 3 glasses of water which symbolizes our body. Okay? Konting trivia lang po. Alam niyo po ba na 3 minutes without air, mamamatay po ang ating katawan. 3 days without water, your body will die. And 3 weeks without food, your body will die. Okay? So this product demonstration, kung saan makikita ninyo, we have a light bulb. Okay? It's an energy test. Okay? So the first glass, let's proceed. Ang tao, paggising, wala pa daw kinakain. Okay? So water alone, tingnan natin kung yung water alone will give you enough energy. Okay? So medyo may konting energy. Ulitin natin. Alright. Now, ang sabi nila, dapat kumakain tayo ng breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Pero syempre, dapat gulay. Okay? So, kung gulay yan, tignan natin kung gaano kalakas yung binibigay na sustansya nito sa katawan natin. So, I have leaves here in front of you, and I cut it into pieces, which symbolize chlorophyll. Okay? And i-mix natin. Tignan natin ngayon na kung gulay nga ba, makakatulong para magbigay ng magandang energy. Okay? Ready? So medyo may malakas na konti. Okay? Ulitin natin ha. Alright. So comparing doon sa nauna, na yung tao wala pang tinitake na any pagkain, water lang. Okay? At yung tao na kumakain ng breakfast or gulay, medyo malakas. Okay? Now, why I'm doing this product demonstration? Because I want to show to everyone what JC Organic Barley can do to your body. It has 6 to 8 micronutrients. Para ka na kumain ng 25 pieces of bananas, 11 baso ng gatas, at marami pang nutrition. Okay? And it is high in ORAC value. Alright? So let's see. JC Organic Barley. There you go. So comparing do sa una, water alone, pagising sa umaga, yung tao na kumain ng gulay, at yung tao na nag-JC Organic Barley. Okay? So, JC Organic Barley, mix natin. JC Organic Barley, this is what your body needs.